where are we now?
So we're in our retail finishing department. This department is where we focus on individual folding of goods, poly bagging of goods, likely hang tag insertion, and or packaging it up to ship out to fulfillment centers and or retail stores. This piece of equipment, based on volume of work, is an automatic fold and bag machine. So this helps us focus on keeping labor costs controlled and also at the same time increasing the output at which that labor can do retail finishing at.
Do you know how many shirts can roughly be folded and bagged here in an hour?
So I say when you're moving and grooving, likely 400 to 500 pieces an hour. It takes getting used to it and like how to lay out the garment, but one of our better operators on this machine can do 400 to 500 pieces an hour. The reason we also got this machine here too was because it could do fleece and sweatshirts, and so we kind of like
the ability to fold both t-shirts and sweatshirts. A lot of the other machines on the marketplace primarily just did t-shirts, and we wanted the ability to, hey, maybe it's 200 shirts here and 50 sweatshirts, get a machine that can do both with the switch of a button.
And I've been in, again, a lot of automatic shops with doing these shop tours. I don't see these very often. See them at the trade shows. Do you think this really helps, you know, kind of solidify some of your customers because you have the ability to finish the garment above and beyond between the bagging, the tagging, the folding? Yeah, how does that help you kind of, you know, get jobs and make money off of it?
Yeah,
you know, as an upsell.
So one of the key services we offer is rush turnaround times. We focus on speed as a differentiation factor to what we do here. And so this machine, it helps us to deliver a finished good faster and consistently and just reliably. What used to happen is before we had this machine and when we had a large order, we'd have to bring on a large team of operators to fold and package goods, and sometimes that could be a hit or miss if can you on-call staff that quickly on a rush order. And so we wanted to get this machine just to be able to power the staff to be able to do jobs quickly and always have reliability. And
with
so,
our shop, we get orders and they come like waves, like tsunamis. And so we'll get a big order that comes in and we need to be able to package that quickly without the need to always hire additional staff to support that. And so now we can take on these waves of orders without the additional staff, with the support of this machine.